TKT, the Teaching Knowledge Test. It is the test of skills that is needed to be successful in teaching English. It is ideal for people who want to accredit their teaching knowledge with a globally recognized certificate. All tests of the TKT modules are in paper format and consist of 80 questions per module. You will have 80 minutes to complete each module and each question is worth 1 point. It has five modules. Module number one focuses on the factors that underpin English learning. The second module refers to resources that can guide you in planning. The module number three checks the management of the class and the learning process. The module number four, module CLEAR, assess understanding of teaching curricular subjects through a second or third language. And the last module, module Young Learners, is an assessment of knowledge of the skill strategies required to teach children.
The CELTA exam means certificate in teaching English to speakers of others language. The Cambridge CELTA is a degree for teaching English as a foreign language backed by a certification recognizes worldwide for the quality and prestige of Cambridge. The certificate does not have an expiration date, time 4 or 5 weeks, and 120 hours. And the modality there are three modality: face to face, online, or mixed. Who is CELTA for? New teachers without experience at the beginning of their career, teachers with some experience who want to develop their skills, native English speakers and speakers whose native language is not English, and teachers who want to travel and teach in English. How does the CELTA course work? Topics cover practical teaching skills and underlying theory where you will gain teaching experience with groups of students. The participants will receive comments and advice about their teaching. Your teaching skills and reading work will be assessed.
The diploma in teaching English to speakers of other language differs from other exams in the following ways. First, the DELTA exam is specifically designed for experienced professionals in the field of English language teaching who are seeking advanced qualification and specialization. Moreover, unlike the other exams, DELTA exam consists of three modules: understanding language and methodology, developing professional practice, and extending practice or management. And finally, in the Delta exam, each module is assessed using different methods. Module 1 is assessed through a writing examination. Module 2 requires the submission of a portfolio and observable lessons, and Module 3 involves completing a writing assignment. Thank you.
Similarities. These exams grab out the knowledge and the skills you need to develop or improve as a teacher, whether or not you have your experience or previous record teaching. This is modular and flexible, so you can adapt your study to fit your work and other commitments. With this exam, you demonstrate your knowledge and understanding of these principles behind your teaching practice, as well as improve planning and teaching skills through constructive feedback on your teaching practice. In addition, it will provide the necessary knowledge for um, to teach young children and adults, depending on the public to which it is directed through teaching practices during the different modules of the program.
Conclusion. In conclusion, the TKT, CELTA and DELTA exams are very good for Cambridge English teaching qualification, but each with its own characteristics. We can conclude that the TKT, CELTA and DELTA exams provide the knowledge and skills you need to improve as a teacher. They help you to broaden your knowledge and understanding the principles that underpin teaching practice. For example, in the TKT, you receive a Cambridge English certificate for each module you complete, while Cambridge CELTA is the most widely recognized English teaching qualification in the world and the most sought after employers. Delta provides you with the skills